Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and today I'm here with another invite, and this invite is for the International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. Kiki from Kiki's DIY, a dear friend of mine, she came up with this great idea during the fall, and we had a great challenge doing the International Fall Wreath Challenge. It was a hit, a lot of people joined in, a lot of new people came in, and we made a great number of friends and got to see some great wreaths and how to DIY them. So this challenge is going to be a seasonal challenge and DIY, and Kiki got 5 other YouTubers including me to host this challenge along with her. So I want to introduce you to all the hosts of this challenge, and starting with Kiki from Kiki DIYs, Michelle from Michelle's Glam Home, Yani and Diane from Deco Easy, Pat from Style with Pat, Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun, and myself, Mom, from MomDas Life Handmade. So all 6 of us, we all come from 6 different parts of the world, therefore the word international, and we invite anybody and everybody who loves to DIY, who loves to decorate, to create a wreath and show us on International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. The rules of the challenge: rule number 1, title your video International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. Rule number 2, in the description box below add the hashtag International Christmas Wreath Challenge. Rule number 3, there is no budget. You can use a thrifted item, you can thrift your home, recycle an old wreath or get a store, and from there you can get your stuff and make a wreath and show us. So you can do any of this and make your own wreath. Rule number 4, the upload date and time. You have to upload your International Christmas Wreath Challenge video on 17th November 2019 anytime. Now the playlist is going to be available on Kiki's channel a day before, that is on 16th November. The playlist will be open for everybody to add their videos, but just schedule your video to go public on 17th November 2019. Now the last thing is, all the subbies are people who make wonderful things, wreaths, decorations, DIYs, but don't make videos. That is, the subbies who don't have a channel or don't make videos can also share their wreaths with us by just sending one picture to Kiki by 15th November. I'll put an email address of Kiki in the description box below of my video, where you can send your picture, just one good picture of your wreath, to Kiki at her email address by 15th November, so that she can compile all the pictures together and create a subbies wreath video. Like the Fall Wreath Challenge, I believe the Christmas Wreath Challenge is also going to be a hit, and I am really excited to see what everybody comes up with on 17th November 2019. I want to thank Kiki for involving me in this great challenge, and thank you all for joining us, and thank you all for watching this video. Take care. See you soon.